from a juicy, sexy, hydrated, unbothered Igbo gay man. A lot of you are not religious people. All you think about is control. You are hypocritical. You think that coming from a place of moral high ground towards someone that is homosexual means that you are closer to God. When someone says to you that gay people are created by God, you feel like they are challenging your God. Gay people are not your problem. Some of you who are constantly saying that people like me are over-explaining. I am not over-explaining anything. F you if you are homophobic. F you if you use your religion as a weapon to intimidate LGBTQIA+ individuals. F you and f everything you believe in if you think that God did not create gay people. F you if you are using your religious beliefs to intimidate other human beings. Gay people from Nigeria, from Ghana, from everywhere did not do anything to you. Instagram is a platform that hasn't really shown my videos or anything to anybody. Somehow one of my videos picked up. All you are doing is I condemn you, find God, repent before it is too late for you. I want some of you to sit down and think and ask yourselves a lot of questions. Why am I bothered about something that doesn't have anything to do with me? If your faith chooses to condemn, you lack integrity. If your faith is what you are using to control other people, you don't have any morals at all. Because any human being that has morals has some form of integrity. They have compassion, they have empathy, they have respect, and they understand humanity. F all of you homophobic people. F you, and f you. I am not your problem. I am not the reason why your situation is the way it is. We LGBTQIA+ individuals are living our lives. I will continue to be a juicy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered, sexy, glowy, Igbo, gay man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State.